Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Nezur. First, let's get you set up. Begin by understanding what Nezur does and its features within Roblox. It's important to ensure your Roblox client is fully updated to the latest version for smooth operation. Next, you'll need to download the Nezur script or its executor. Always make sure you're getting these files from a trusted and reliable source to maintain your account's safety. Once you have the Nezur file, place it into your designated Roblox scripts folder. Then, launch your Roblox game and join a server where you intend to use Nezur. With the game running, open your chosen script executor. You will then use the executor to inject the Nezur script into the game. This process usually takes just a few moments to complete. Now that Nezur is running, it's time to explore its features. You can typically access Nezur's user interface by pressing a specific hotkey, often a function key. Take some time to learn the common commands for things like movement, spawning items, or activating special abilities. Don't forget to adjust settings such as your character's speed or jump height to customize your gameplay experience. For those looking to go further, Nezur often offers advanced features like custom script integration or detailed configurations. Remember, it's crucial to always use Nezur responsibly and respect the rules of any game you're playing. Finally, regularly check for updates to Nezur. Keeping it current helps prevent compatibility issues and ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.